OJ, no good. Number 6. Number 10, dribbling the ball. Pass to 33. Rebound, steal by Mr. Lito. Nice shot for number 23. Rebound by Lito. Steal by Lito. Almost a steal. Steal by Molina.
Pass number 0. There's still number 01. 01. Pass number 15. Set by the president in the ball. To number 6. Number 6. Number 13. Sige lang po. Pag-shoot natin, tatay number 13. Number 13. Wala. Rebound number 6. Pass number 6. Number 6. 9-4. Next ball. Main time. 4 minutes and 40 for the first quarter. No good. 39 number 19. Wala.
Bakit pamalit?
Ilang.
Tira dyan, Mr. Longba. Tira dyan.
Very good. Two goals. Number 13, pass to number 10. Looking sporting man, pass number 0, 10 to shoot. Pass number 17, wala. Rebound number 04. 04, turn around. 10 to number 17 again. Okay, still number 13. Number 13, wala. Rebound number 19. Number 29. Wala rin. Tension. Number 17. No good. Number 13. 13. Wala pa rin. Number 17. Drive. Nasa number 19. Okay, 17. To number 10, Jelly. Wala, di ba number 21? 1-7, 13-4, our score. Meantime, 1 minute and 40. Number 01 will be Asipon, will be pass number 10. Pinalik kay number 13, 10 shoot. Number 13, wala, di ba number 10, pass number 29. Number 29. Nice move. 14-4, our score. Rebound number 29 naman. To number 17. To number 01, Dito. 2 points by number 0. 17. Easy lang down. To number 17 again. To number 19. Nice pass. 2 points. Number 11, number 6, 3 points, 26 our score. Take a shot, number 13. 10 to shoot, number 15, 2 points. 3 points. Mula ng 3 points after number 0. 0, no good. Rebound to number 43. To number 6. Number 6. 4. To number 23. They still number 13. Only 2 points. The number 29, 6 minutes and 45. Number 7 to number 6 naman. To number 11. Number 11, pinalagyan number 13. To number 15, Project. Wala. Kani po number 11. To number 19, there is still number 16, and number 13. 2 points. Number 11. Set up play. To number 20. Number 23 to number 19. To number 11. 10 shoot. Number 23. Wala ka. Number 14. 2 points. Number 14. Number 13. Pass number 11. Wala, di ba number 19, number 20. Ito number 11, sinali pa. 2 points. Change 5, mag-ready po tayo. To number 15. 15, jump. 2 points. Number 8. Binawi ni number 10, 3 points. To number 10. To number 8. Wala. Rebound number 10. Wala rin. To number 17. Oy, sobra. To number 15. To number 01. Dito. 2 points. To number 29, 2 points, nice pass. To number 15, 10 shoot. To number 10. To number 15, 5 to shoot. Wala, rebound number 8. Pass number 10. Jenny. Pass number 29. Uy, skill yan. Hindi na pwede yan. To number 10. To number 10, to number 0. To Pineda. Wala. Sayang yung pasa. Naharas siya number 10 to number 10. Magkano na makasahan? 10 to shoot. Ay, still number 10. Pineda. Pass number 10. JD. 2-point shot. Number 10. Nice din pa rin, number 10, pass number 15. Tinuluwa pa. Ay, wala, sumabla, hit out. Nakakuha ng pasuwa. Lito, drive. Ayaw talaga. Nakakuha number 17. Using the glass. 23-40, favor of Bullies. Meantime, 1 minute and 15. For the second quarter. Rada. Pass Global seems to be dropped. Number 0. Ganda ng pasa. 2 points. Ganda ng break. Yung nasa sa kalaman, hindi. Nakakuha nila. JD. Drive. Kinik up. Number still. Number 15. Number 15. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. 30 seconds. Naribon mo rin. Di number 29. 25 seconds. Number 29. Drive. 2 points. Number 29. 43, 25. Free for low. Only 10 seconds. They still pa rin. Number 10. Pass number 29. 5 seconds. Number 19. Drive. In and out. Number 13. Pass number 01. Number 01. 4-3. Number 10, number 23. Police. Melvin, pass number 13, Ruloda, wala, rebound number 17. Pass number 17. To number 17, 2 points. And number mistake, one Flores. Flores to number 17, in and out. Ayaw. Wala. Number 10. Wala. To number 1. Wala, hindi mo namin naging 17 number 23. Kosoko, isila. Pass number 17. Wala, pass na lalo ng pila, pass number 17. 10 to shoot po tayo. Nestin yan. 5 to shoot. Ayaw pa rin. Nari-ball number 17. Wala pa rin. Wala, sayang pa rin. Easy lang down. Number 11. 10 to shoot. To number 17. Wala. Number 11. 13. Pass number 11. To number 61. Drive. Yo, grabe. Shoot.
Grabe sa style dito, oh. Power na power.
To number 17. Flores. Pass to number 10. Wala. Rebound ni number 23. 2 points. Remaining 5 minutes and 22 seconds. Number 13, pass number 04. Malakas. Nariwan number 11. So 5, mag-ready po tayo. Number 23 to number 10. Step back. Wala. Sa kanya pa rin. 10 to shoot. To number 17. 2 points, 3. Favor of Bullies. Number 0, pass number 13. Number 13. Rebound number 6. Pass number 10. JD drive. Kick out na pala. To number 29. To number 6. 10 to shoot. Number 10. Wala. Rebound number 15. Number 6, no good. Number 15, no good. Everybody, Sergito, wala pa rin. Sana pa rin. Ay, number 17, number 11. Number 14 to number 10. Number 10 to number 29 to number 10. Grabe mga assist dito. 15. Number 01. Number 29. Patalon. Wala. Malakas. To number 29. To number 6. Pinasa number 14. Take to shoot. Number 29. Ayaw. Na-rebound si Juan. Lito. Pass number 15. To number 17. Tugono. Number 15. Wala. Sana ka rin. Wala. Sinuwa. Pass number 13. Pass pass. 2 points. Number 10, drive. Number 7, pass number 15. Wala, number 10. To number 29. To number 6. Grabe, ganda. Pass water. Our score, 59-32. Favor Bullies. 10 to shoot. Next pa rin, number 10. Sa kanya pa rin. Good shot. To number 29. Ginagawa. Wala. Rebound number 30. Seconds to play. 55 seconds. Number 13. 2 points. Seconds. JD, easy lang daw. 35 seconds. Pass number 0. Rana. Binalik pa sa kanya. To number 14. Wala. Rebound yan. Sir, number 15. 25 seconds. Number 15 to number 15. 2 points. 15 seconds to number 29. To number 14. Grabe yung mga assistant dito. To number 0-0. Wala pa rin. To number 14. 2 points. By number 14. Number 10. Sayang. Diretso sayang. To number 17. To number 11. Easy lang daw. To number 17, Flores. To number 17. To number 19. Grabe mga kasalanan nila. To number 15. In and out. Ayaw talaga. Flores. To number 19. Number 19. Tera. Melvin, that's your third personal foul. Second free throw. No good for them. To number 11. To number 17. To number 11. Pira, easy lang pa. To number 17. Wala. To number 15. Sama, number 13. Flores. To number 11, to number 17. 2 points. 15, easy. Going points to make. To number 10, 17. Number 8. Nesting back, number 10, number 10. Pasang na lang ang support, wala ka rin. Ayaw ka rin. To wait 2 seconds for the last and final quarter. Pineda, pass to number 17. 2 points by number 17. Number 10 is over. Number 10, 1 second 10, Robin. Nari mo lang kasi ito, iwaya. To number 8. Oh, sorry, number 17 pa rin. To number 19. Wala. To number 19. 2 points by number 19. Play time, 6 minutes and 10. Let's over number 13. Pass number 04. To number 15. Wala. Rebound number 19. Still number 04. To number 11. To number 15. To number 13. 2 points by number 13. Number 17. To number 17. Paras, 2 points. Number 13. Pass number 11. 3 points. Number 8. Number 10, sorry. Wala. Rebound number 0. No good. Second free throw. Pero naribang pa rin lang. Naribang number 10. 2 points for number 12. Number 29, 2 points for number 20. Rebound number 0. Number 6. Matalog. To number 29. To number 6. Short. Rebound pa rin number 29. To main time. Pass to number 15. Number 4. To number 17. Pasok to number 6. Number 6. 4-3. Number 14. In and out. Number 13. Too strong. To number 10. Layup. 2 points for number 10. Number 15, set up there. Moving points to me, pass number 11. To number 15. Pass, rebound number 11. To number 11, rebound number 17. Last 2 minutes. Number 29, 2 points. Pass number 17. Jump, 2 points. Number 17. Number 10. Pass number 6. Number 6. 14. Number 13. Number 10. Number 10. 4-3. 6. the game. Winner. Boise. Final score 81-48.
Grabe ah.